Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a form and then how to duplicate a forms design. First we're on the Forms dashboard page and then we can click anywhere in the Manage Forms section. Clicking that will take us to the Forms Management page where we will see all the forms we have created. To duplicate a form, all you need to do is go to the right and click on the three-dot menu icon and then select Duplicate. It will then ask you to name your duplicate form, and for this example, we will call it e-commerce contact us form. Then we will see all of the designs associated with that form that will be duplicated as well. Here we are able to change the names of the designs. For example, this first one I will change to computer repair contact us design, and then this other one to computer software contact us design. Then I'll click on the blue Create button. Now we see our form has been duplicated and it has the 5 designs in it as well. One last thing to show you before we wrap up is I will show you how to duplicate a forms design. So the same process would apply to duplicating a forms design. Here we can click on the number in the designs column that will take us to the form design list. And then in the form design list, you will move to the right hand side and see the duplicate icon. Click that icon and then a pop-up will come up asking if you are sure you want to duplicate the layout. Click yes and that's it. You just learned how to duplicate a form and a forms design in Indition Forms, Contests, and Surveys. Please don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and please subscribe to be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks again for watching.